Hello friends. And in this video I want to continue my story about how to properly shape cucumbers in a greenhouse to obtain a more abundant and earlier harvest. If you have recently subscribed to my channel, you can watch in my videos. Recently I showed how to form small cucumbers, for example, if they have not yet reached such a great height, and there I told you to accelerate the growth of the plant. In addition to fertilizing, you need to remove all stepsons and all cucumbers in the first 3 internodes. As you can see, I don't have them here. Here is the first, second, third. But these are just the stepsons, they have grown anew since that time. Therefore, they also need to be removed. We cut them off. I also want to say right away that this method of pruning and forming cucumbers is suitable for growing them in a greenhouse. Also, for their super bundle hybrids, this is when from 2 to 7 cucumbers are formed in one internode. And this greenhouse, or trellis method of forming cucumbers, it consists in the fact that we have to remove the suckers in all internodes, since they grow very quickly. Look, here comes the stem. Here the suckers have all been removed, and that's up to this point. A couple of days ago, this sucker was small, and already grew by 10 inches. He's already pulling on a lot of nutrition. Yes, it helps the plant to work, since photosynthesis also occurs through its leaf. But it consumes more juice and nutrients. Because of this, the growth of the central stem will stop. Especially if you have not removed any of the suckers, it will just grow in a bush, and not to the top. This is very bad, since on hybrid cucumbers that are grown in a greenhouse, the main crop, personally, I have already noticed for many years that they lay cucumbers on the central stem more than on suckers. As in my case, on bunches there are from 2 to 5 pieces in one internode, and already on suckers, we get 1, maximum 2 cucumbers in the internode. And also soon I will have a video on my channel on how to properly form cucumbers in the open ground. And also how to get rid of the empty flower, meaning from male flowers from which cucumbers will not grow. Let's form. We need to remove all the suckers from the internodes, and we do not remove the babies of cucumbers. It is best to remove suckers in this size, when they are still very small, they do not take a lot of nutrition from the plant and do not slow down growth. Thus removing all these suckers without clinging to the fruits themselves, we give growth forces to the central stem. We get a strong growth, and accordingly, cucumbers are laid here more than on suckers. And this means that the harvest is obtained early, due to the fact that the stem is long, the harvest is more abundant. And further along the season, I will show you what to do when the cucumber plant grows to the roof of the greenhouse and rests against it. There are 2 great ways to further shape it. Therefore, friends to whom the information from this video was useful, put a like. If you have any questions about the formation of cucumbers in the greenhouse, ask in the comments under the video. Have a good day. See you in the new videos.